Bakit ka nga ba mangungupahan kung dito yung 15,000 mo ay may 100 square meters ka na single attached unit? Sulit, 'di ba? So keep on watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another tripping day. At no wonder nga kung bakit mabenta si Carnation single attached unit here at Richdale West Residences. May lote ka na 100 square meters for standard inner lot at ang floor area mo ay 66 square meters. Basic finish pala ang turnover nito, kaya naman mako-customize mo talaga ang interior ng bahay pagkalipat mo sa unit. And yes, available to through Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 15,000 monthly down payment at pagdating kay Pag-ibig ay 20,000 lang ang monthly amortization. Kaya naman kung nangangarap kang magkabahay, ito na talaga ang perfect unit para sa'yo dahil napakalaki ng lote yet napakamura lang. So paano if you like house tour videos like this? Follow us for more videos. At syempre, wag mo nang palagpasin to. Tara, tripping nga tayo. Link in our bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number para makita mo na ang actual site at model unit natin. See you soon at paalam!